Hey guys, James again. We're going to try another cooking video. This time we're going to try to see if I'm going to try to make a what I call the Rice Krispie Treat two-layer cake. So my ingredients are going to be Rice Krispies, 6 cups. At least to start off with. 1 bag of marshmallows. If I need more, I'll need more. Quarter cup of margarine, which I started cooking now, and Marshmallow Fluff. So if successful, I'm going to try to make it look like a real cake, like a layer of Rice Krispie Treats, some fluff in order, some marshmallow fluff in the middle, another layer of Rice Krispie Treats. I'm going to use 9-inch square round pans and make it look like a cake. And we're going to put marshmallow fluff on the outside, make it look like frosting. So I'm hoping it's going to look pretty well. It's going to look well, but who knows? So right now I'm obviously melting a quarter cup of butter. So we get do the marshmallows. I have 6 cups of Rice Krispie Treats in the bowl, the Rice Krispies. What I'm going to do is I probably should have done this already, but we're going to reset the cake pans so when we can actually make the Rice Krispie cake, it's not sticking. So I'll probably turn it down to a medium heat because I don't want to really cook the marshmallows. In a second. I got 2 just in case I'm going to need more. But I have plenty of Rice Krispies, so that should be fine. So I'm greasing the cake pan. So I have 2 greased cake pans on the set. I'm going to take 1 bag of marshmallows, turn that down to a medium heat. And I want to start cooking them up. Just going to try and melt them, not so I can really cook them. I've done this in the past where I just really burnt the marshmallows. So we're going to, I accidentally turned it off. Going to always keep stirring them. So this is 6 cups of Rice Krispies I put in there, as per the usual recipes. So I'll move that so you can see what I'm doing with the marshmallows. So this is about 3 minutes or so of me just stirring the marshmallows, and I'm moving my lips, so I'm probably talking and rambling about gotta keep it stirring so it doesn't turn brown or caramelize and all that fun stuff. So yeah, we're just stirring some marshmallows for a bit. I probably could have turned this down a little bit more too. So I'm going to put it in right now. There's still a few lumps, but that'll just, make it look better. And it's still going to melt while it's in the bowl anyways. So, turn off the heat. Give these Rice Krispies a stir. Oh yeah, if you're just doing it regular wise, all you gotta do now is just put it in a grease pan and put it in your fridge. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can make 2 cake pans out of this. It doesn't look like it, so we might have to do another round. But yeah, we might have to do take 2 on it, I think. Now when you put it in there, you want to give it a gentle pat. So yeah, we're going to make another round of it. Usually I would just get a hot pan of just liquid butter. Just dip one of these into so they don't stick. But anyways. Yeah, we'll do another pan of these up. Let's see, and anyways, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for like a couple hours, and we're gonna see. Then we'll see if we can put some frosting on it or some fluff. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and my cake pans are pretty cool. So we're gonna see about loosening up the Rice Krispie Treat cake molds, and obviously they both can come out. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna take some marshmallow fluff, put some in between the layers, spread it out. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna use some water dust so it doesn't stick. Just putting fluff in between the two layers I roll for the cake. That's marshmallow fluff. And then we're gonna put the second layer on top. And I'm gonna go back with the marshmallow fluff. Probably go on the top. See how that looks. So I'm spinning up again because obviously it's a minute and a half of just laying marshmallow fluff all over the top and some of the sides of the cake. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in the fridge for about an hour. Then we'll try it and see how it goes. Okay guys, I've let the quote-unquote cake sit in the fridge for about an hour. So let's see how she cuts. And see if she'll hold together. I do like the shine from the marshmallow, right? On top. And there's a big drum hole, right? And there you go. That's a piece of the cake. Obviously, you can see the separation between the two sections. And we're going to give it a little try. Probably not, best idea to use a fork. But it's very tasty. So, yeah, that's my attempt to try to make a quote-unquote cake using Rice Krispie Treat. So, if this guy gives you any idea, guys, please try it. So, thanks a lot for watching, and maybe we'll do another cooking or kitchen prep video down the line.